Welcome back, teachers, to the third video on how to instruct the web design and development course provided by Rex K12. In this one, we will be talking about how to begin the class, general knowledge and things you should know as the instructor, and the pacing of the class. When starting this class, all students must take the web design pre-test as well as the opening survey. Be sure to change the setting on the opening survey so that it is visible to the students. Once again, to do so, click on the gear. This section here will say turn editing on. Make sure to click on that. Then you're going to click on the opening survey, go to edit settings. Once that loads, you're going to scroll down to where it says common module settings, click on availability, change it from hide students to show on course page, scroll all the way down and select save and return to course. And your students will now be able to view the opening survey. Be sure to reiterate to the students that the pre-test when they are taking that will be difficult as they have not learned anything about the course yet. It is simply there so that at the end of the course we can gauge how much they have learned and improve. After doing so, students should watch the activity labeled using the code editor for HTML. This is a video that will show the students how to use the code editor we mentioned in earlier videos. This video goes more in depth about the capabilities of the VPL and will be one that students will need to revisit quite often. After the tutorial video, students can begin the first lesson. The instructor can begin the lesson as per the teacher guide or whatever lesson plan they have chosen for the day. It is recommended that the instructor skim through the videos and activities to be familiar with what the students will be doing when it comes time to do it. Students will have the ability to watch the videos and complete the activities on their own, but having an instructor that understands what the students are meant to accomplish will better help guide their thinking. When instructing this course, you as the instructor have the option to do so synchronously or asynchronously. A synchronous style would involve playing the videos for everyone, or having everyone watch the videos and complete the activities at the same time, while an asynchronous approach would involve students completing the videos and activities at their own pace. The synchronous style benefits from having all the students at the same place in the course because students would be able to help each other more readily than if they were going at their own pace. Because everyone will be working on the same thing at the same time, students can work together to find solutions that work for their shared problem. The instructor benefits as well, as grading one assignment for all the students at once is much more efficient than grading multiple different assignments that are submitted at the student's convenience. However, the downside is that students who tend to complete assignments quickly or students who tend to need more time to complete assignments will be forced to slow down or speed up, respectively. To remedy this, you can have students who are ahead help the students who are behind. Following the asynchronous model would have the students complete the videos and activities on their own as long as they complete them before the deadline. The benefit to this is that there would be less instruction required on the part of the instructor. Students would also be able to take all the time they needed to complete the assignments without worry of slowing down or speeding up to keep pace with the class. However, it would require more work on the part of the instructor to make sure that the students are staying on track while working independently, as students in an asynchronous environment can be distracted more easily. It's up to the instructor on whether or not to follow a synchronous or asynchronous model for the course. However, all the tools required for both models are provided in the course. And with that, we have completed the video tutorials on how to teach the web design and development course. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Camden at rexk12.com. Have a great rest of your day and happy teaching.